Good morning, everyone. I welcome to all of you in this video session. So, in this, we are going to discuss CMS, is nothing but Cellular Manufacturing System. So, already I given all of you notes what I shared, that is the topic cellular manufacturing system. Cellular manufacturing system is an approach that help to build a variety of products with as little waste as possible. Little waste, it means it will not waste the material while manufacturing any product. So cellular manufacturing is nothing but one type of approach to do the manufacturing. So it is a different arrangement or equipment arranged to create smooth flow. So it will create smooth flow, it will not break down. So different workstation we have to flow the product to complete all manufacturing what you want. Finally that product it will complete for manufacturing process. So so that is the definition what I given to you, and already I shared two notes, so no need to dictate here, just I am going to explain key points. So what are the key points in this, you can focus that. So first is smooth flow in this. So it is the approach and it will not waste more material while manufacturing. So these are the key points we have here. So so next is benefit. I shared what benefits of CMS. What are the benefits? Reduce material handling and saving the time also it will save. It will not store material at one place. So it will not store it will not take more space to store material. So that's why it will flow continuously and will going to one place to another place, one workstation to another workstation for manufacturing. So continuously it will process, it will not break down. So these are the benefits for cellular manufacturing system. Next I dictated 3-4 points for benefits, you can go through it. So whatever you will not understand, you can comment me on the video, you can comment me, so I can explain that words or better than this notes what I given to you. So if you want to write, so go through internet and write. If you are not getting exactly what is cellular, so I am here to help you. Just you can make it clear, you understand cellular manufacturing system, what are the benefits, what are the advantage, what are the disadvantage. So advantage if you will talk here, so smooth and continuous workflow, same sentence it will come, it is the smooth and continuous workflow. Less space requirements for the same production volume. So same thing what I discussed in advantage, they given this points, key point. Next is automatic material handling possible. It will automatically it will material move one place to another place, that is maybe conveyor, maybe a robot is there. So depends on the organization, different organization what they arranged for cellular manufacturing system. It is the just one approach to apply in industry. So next is less work in process inventory in advantage. So if you go 5-6 point I explained in this. So another point is if you go so less skilled workers can serve the purpose. So in this experienced people already they can work nicely, but who are not experienced, who are less experienced, so they can also work nicely in this system, cellular manufacturing system. So these are the advantage. We have disadvantage. If you will go, we have what? Lack of flexibility. In this there is no flexibility. Earlier we studied what? FMS, flexible manufacturing system. In this system flexibility is there. So in CMS we don't have flexibility, lack of flexibility. Next is large capital investment. So cost investment is more. So we have to invest more for this approach if I want to install in our industry. So we have to invest more and more. So starting cost is too much to use this approach. So next disadvantage is this one. I can talk CMS and sort, just see, we are here to make it that what they given comment. So they given you should make e-content. So e-content is nothing but just I have to make it notes, type the definition syllabus wise. They should have notes, they should have explanation of e-contents, so they can understand the syllabus, and that we are trying to do. So that's why we are going for e-content only. I cannot explain all the theory in video because you will not watch full video otherwise. Because if I'll go long video like 20 minutes 30 minutes, you will not watch. You don't have time to watch, and you don't have patience to watch that much time. So that's why we'll make it short and sweet video, so you can understand CMS, what we are going to now topic. CMS, that is cellular manufacturing system we are talking now. So advantage, disadvantage, benefits, what are the definition I dictated in this notes. You should go through that, and you have to make more than this. I told you so many student was doing in class also. Kesav, Ritesh, Ritik, Manisha, they all, I am not remembering all those names. So whatever I know, Raju also. So I know these are the names. So they are doing. So other also they are doing notes. So all of you do continuously same way and make it notes, and once I'll give the assignment question paper, so that it will help you to do assignment nicely. So thank you all of you. I'll not take much time. So these are the explanation. If you have any doubt, you comment us, so I can make it more correction myself. So still I couldn't get how much you want on this video explanation. If in front of me, if you are there, then I can guess he is not understand. But through the video we can't say who are understand and who are not understanding. So so if you are not understanding, you can comment me, you can text me. I'll definitely come back to you and I'll explain. So thank you all of you, and do well done notes, and be safe at home. Still we are in danger zone. So thank you. And one more thing I'll tell all of you. So if you'll go through this notes, you can prepare yourself. I text already message. You can prepare your notes nicely, and whatever words you are not understanding, that mark it and comment me. Otherwise you write my number 897-187-3174. So you can directly contact me, otherwise you can comment to video, that is good for me also. So thank you all of you.